Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, October 6, 2011. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a max potential of 42 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed at our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 11:37.25, and we are right there in between the two closings, the 4 o'clock and the 4:15. And as you can see, when the market opened, they quickly filled the half gap, went down, filled the 4:15 gap, filled the 4 o'clock gap. Market kind of just traded sideways here for the first 15 minutes or so. And today was a much more normal day than we've had the last 2 days. With the volatility and such, the price action, we still had a push to the upside for the majority of the day. The first trade was an extension to the downside. This fast move as we pushed down at 9:45, set up targets 1 and targets 2 for 5 ticks as the market pushed down to the Globex low, found the daily pivot there, got a small little bounce off that pivot initially, but then went down to that key 1129 level. That was a key level yesterday. It was a swing high at one point when the market prior to acted as resistance. We came above it today and it acted as support and acted as a springboard really for the morning. So right at the 10 o'clock reversal time at 1129 level, pushed the market higher. There was a trade setup that happened shortly thereafter, and unfortunately for us, this was one of those no fills where it came down and hit our level with just one candle there. No opportunity to really get in that trade. Someone got filled, but very few, so we count that as a no fill. The market then pushed higher and actually made a nice run there. It was kind of hard to sit there and watch that one go by without that fill taking place. But then coming into 10:45 confirmation time, we came back down through our moving average, set up a signal short that did hit targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 6 ticks as the market pushed down and hit that area of yesterday's high, used that as a support level, came through our moving average, set up a signal long that hit targets 1 and targets 2 the upside for 8 ticks as the market pushed up into the 11:15, 11:30 reversal time frame and found resistance right at the Globex high, the overnight high of the session. And you can see they quickly traded off of that level right at 11:15. Did not give us a signal entry either way, as the signal to the downside did not meet our rule set in relationship to our moving average, and then when it crossed up, we did not get an opportunity prior to heading into the lunchtime dead zone. The red area you see on the chart here, that is the dead zone. That's between 11:30 a.m. and 1:15 p.m. We do not initiate any new trades during that time, and that's due to the lighter volume of lunch and the higher volatility that usually comes during that time frame. But after 1:15 we do start looking again. You can see we came down through our moving average, set up a nice signal short that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 13 ticks, and then the market quickly went back through our moving average, set up a signal long on this fast push up, gave an extension entry. Unfortunately there was it hit our high, one candle there, and then came back down. And after we took that first profit target, our stop adjust and we get a little tighter, ended up getting stopped out of that second position, so ended up with a T1-2 on that push. And then it wasn't until the 2:30 reversal time we came back through the moving average, set up a nice signal short. End of the day, targets 1 and targets 2, 12 ticks to the downside before the market ultimately pushed higher after the 3 o'clock time frame. So a much more manageable level of trades today. Only 6 trades, 42 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.